Touching surfaces every day, feeling no spark of tenderness within. Touch in mine, touch in mine, touch in mine, touch in mine, touch There's a vibrational current between every fingertip and the unseen, dipping your subtle hand into follow blind fingertips.